Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with essential checks and the first actionable moves. Confirm clutch bite and free play. Make sure pedal returns fully. Hold the wheel firmly at 9 and 3, then accelerate to your target RPM range. As you approach the shift point, depress the clutch quickly and precisely. Move the shifter straight into neutral and immediately into the next gear. Keep your foot ready to modulate throttle on release, so the engine speed matches the new gear and prevents a jolt. Once done with the first shifts, tighten your movements for the complex middle sequence. Use short, deliberate clutch strokes, almost a tap, to lift and re-engage quickly while keeping the shifter on a direct path between gates. For downshifts, heel toe or a throttle blip raises RPM to match lower gear, preventing lock or lurch. Shift timing is about coordination, eyes on the tack, hands decisive, and feet smoothing input. Practice these mid-sequence moves at low speed until they become fluid. To complete the process, focus on finishing steps that lock everything together. Release the clutch smoothly over a controlled interval so drivetrain loads settle without shock. Simultaneously roll on throttle to carry power through the gear. If you hear a grind, immediately lift the clutch, center the shifter, blip the throttle to match revs, and re-engage cleanly. If the engine stalls, keep calm. Feather the clutch to find the bite, give a little throttle, and restart the sequence. Practice these corrections so recovery is fast and safe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.